In this video, you will learn how to sell on Autotrader in the UK. Selling on Autotrader is a straightforward process. This can help you reach a wider audience of potential buyers. Here's a quick guide. Create an account. First, all you need to do is create an account on Autotrader. This will allow you to manage your listing and track potential buyers. Prepare your car. Before listing your car, make sure it's clean, in good condition and ready to be shown. Gather important documents such as your logbook, MOT certificate and service history, as buyers often look for these. Set realistic prices. Research similar cars on Autotrader to get an idea of a competitive price. You can use Autotrader's evaluation tool to ensure your estimate is good. Be prepared to negotiate. Setting a fair price and competitive price will attract more potential buyers. Create a listing. When creating your listing, take clear, high quality photos of your car from many different angles, both sides, in and out. Be honest about the car's condition. Include details like mileage, service history and any past accidents, or specific modifications. Write a compelling description. Write a description, accurate, detailed description of the car. Highlight its best features and its recent repairs or upgrades. Be transparent about its issues. This can build trust with many buyers. Choose your listing package. Autotrader offers several packages, including standard or premium options. Premium listings get more visibility, which can increase your chance of selling quickly. Choose a package that fits your budget and your needs. Manage inquiries. Once your listing is live, respond promptly with any inquiries. Be prepared to negotiate, but know that your lowest acceptable price. Arrange viewings and test drive safely, ideal in public places or at your home. Finalize the sale. Once you've agreed on a price, complete the necessary paperwork, including the transfer to the new owner. Ensure payment is made securely before handing over the car. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.